Motherfucker's crazy. Yeah, what's the deal? CraziKawi out here, baby. I fixed the Kawasaki. You waving at? I fixed the Kawasaki, baby. And now I've noticed. Shout out to Barrett clutches, man. They helped your boy out. I was in a state of emergency. Hey, thanks, big dog. Yeah. State of emergency. And they helped me with the clutches that they gave me. And if you can hear the music, Young Jeezy, I like your music. I ain't trying to steal your shit. But so I fixed the clutches. There's a video that I did too. What the f***? I ain't never seen a train that just stopped. So we gonna turn around. But my clutches are fixed. Clutches, baby! Clutches. Ooh, now downtown Fort Worth where the crackheads roam and the police call home. There's a lot of police down here. Like for real. Like a lot. So I'm trying to see if there's a spot. Oh, don't do that. There's a spot where the infamous Jixerba, he goes under this overpass and does these crazy things. I'm gonna see if I can get to it. There's a train over here, but it's not right here, which is crazy. It's like a mini train, like Thomas or something. Man, they helped me, though. When I say he done help me, bro, I mean he done help me, bro. Barrett, clutches. Again, if you want to see the video on how to fix your clutch on the Ninja 400, check this video right here. Bing! Hey, train stuck. Can't even get to it. But I'm trying to find this spot. I don't know where this spot is. Come on, bro. Take your ugly ass on, bro. I ain't got that long. I got a brand new born baby at the house. And I know you're asking, if you got a newborn baby, hey, it's a green light, buddy. No need to stop. If you got a newborn baby at the house, why do you have a motorcycle? And my answer is simple. Why not? I gotta find this spot. Is that it? Nope, that ain't it at all. I'm gonna find this spot. Oh, such a great feeling. It's understood. That's a pink Jeep. A pink Jeep. Pink Jeep. Pink Jeep. How did I say it? Pink Jeep. I'm just searching right now, man. I'm trying to find this overpass. And I can't seem to find the overpass. I think that's it. Unless I've been here already. And in that case, I'm an idiota. That's definitely it. We gonna see. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Cause I was like, yo, Jixer, bro, riding through the hood. But no, this is it. I remember this little something like this. This ain't really the hood. It's alright. I mean, I ain't seen no broke down car yet. And they got swings on that front yard. And that baby fall off of that. That baby is whack. Yeah, this is it. Alright, let's see. I got A&D ointment in my bag. I'm supposed to be back home, but I just fixed my bike. What else am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to just... Oh, here it is. Is it this one? Oh, man. Ah, That's kind of cool. That crazy. Oh no, motherfucker's crazy. Oh, I better be recording this. Oh, what was that? I shut my damn time, bro. After that, flat, bro. Flat. Let's see. That's so cool. I don't know what this I'm running over. I gotta stop. Crack needles and shit. Let me see. I said he could go under this. Ah, that's sketch. Oh, Jigsaw, bro, you crazy. I gotta take a picture. Okay. This is life. I gotta take a picture. Alright, get out of here. Oh shit. Good. Oh shit. The f was that? Alright, whew. This sketch right here. Alright. I'm gonna do this. Oh, okay. With the brakes, it's not so bad. Oh shit, that was crazy. Well, anyway, so we back, baby. We back. I fixed the clutch and it's amazing. It's like crazy. It's crazy the power that I wasn't getting because I guess my old clutch was so bad. I was trying to pop it up, could not pop it up for shit. Man, it's crazy the difference now. But man, whoo, it's crazy. So I'm finna get ready here, hit on this highway, and I'm noticing my top speed averaging where my top speed was with the wind in my back. That's the crazy part. The whole time I'm like, yo, I can't get above 105 unless I was really hitting it. Man, top speed though, sitting at 120. That's no good. That's no good. Cause my boy, shout out to Sly. What's his name? Sly the Beast? Sly the what the hell his name is? He's a YouTuber. Not really. But he got a good channel. But I told him I'm gonna get a bike. He got a Cadillac, everybody. Look at his nice, beautiful Cadillac. But he could have got a bike. He could have got 3 bikes with that price. But it don't matter. There we go. We go. I'm gonna get him on the bike. God, the power on this now. Woo! Oh man. If you got a Ninja 400 and you experiencing loss of power around 7, no, I ain't even gonna say 4 or 5K miles, change your clutches, baby. change your clutches. That's all I gotta say. Change your clutches. Why are you yelling? Because change your clutches. If you're looking crazy. I know I look crazy right now. Because I'm so excited. I changed my clutch. And what do you know? The bike does too much. Oh my God. He can't be stopped. All right, I'm done. But anyway, hey, so thanks for watching the channel. All 3, 4, 5 of you. I'm going to remember you when I get 10 followers. I will remember. But thanks for watching the channel. I fixed my clutch. And that's all I said to it. I can get to 120 easily. Well, not easily, but I can get to 120. That's all that matters. At first, I was just hitting 105 and the bike was like, eh. But man, thanks for watching the channel, guys. CraziKawi out.